Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable eye comfort mode on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on night light. Now if you cannot find the night light option in your control center, just tap on the pencil icon on your control center. From here, just scroll down and drag the night light option in your control center. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the control center. And from here, just tap on night light. Now from here, if you tap and hold on the night light icon, you can change the intensity of the night light, just like that. And this is how you can enable eye comfort mode on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.